Help. Help, Jess. I'm so drowning. So, what happened now? What happened? We have science quiz, math solving, English essay, historical report. I don't know what to do. Wait. Don't forget the PE reflection paper and also the... Stop adding that to the list. I am panicking right now, Jess. Same. I think my soul just submitted itself to the deadline gods. Should we just drop out and become a barista? Or I don't know. Tempting. At least coffee doesn't have a due date. Imagine. Wait. Okay, but seriously, let's make a plan. A plan before we actually cry for real. Okay, I gotcha. Okay, fine. But only if snacks involved, coffee or donut, milk teas, everything. Snacks and suffering, my favorite combo. Deal. Deal.